Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to record the programs on the EETV Box Pro in 2026. Now recording allows you to save live TV shows and watch them later whenever you want. The EETV Box Pro supports the recording through its built-in TV guide and recording options. So here is how you can do it step by step. First of all, you need to turn on your EETV Box Pro. Then use the remote button and simply press the guide button on it. Now what this is going to do is it is going to open the electronic TV guide where you can use all the available channels and programs currently airing and scheduled in order to start over. So now you need to use the arrow buttons on your remote to scroll through the channels and the upcoming shows. When you are able to find the show or the movie which you want to record, you need to simply first highlight it and then simply press OK on your remote. So when you are basically able to select it and press OK, you need to press the record button on your remote. The system will begin recording the current show immediately. To watch the recording later, simply press the home button on your remote and go to the recording section or the My TV section. So that's how you can record the programs on the EETV Box Pro in 2026. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.